Here we are going to discuss image mappings of internet programming subject from unit number 1. This is a practical related to image mapping, how we map the image. Now, what indicate image mapping? Image mapping show the how we create a hotspot area on particular image. Here we have three more important things or three most important object. First is called as a rectangle. A rectangle having its coordinate, circle. Circle is again having its coordinate, and polygon. Polygon again having its coordinate. Now, if we use the circle, it has the coordinate x and y coordinate and radius of that particular circle. Now, if we have the rectangle, so how we use the rectangle coordinate? X, y, x plus width, y plus width. It shows the coordinate of rectangle. In this example or in this practicals, we are going to show rectangle, circle. Or now, here we need to map the image. So basic, we have the HTML structures. Here we find HTML. Under that HTML we have the head sections. We have given the name that is called as a map image and close that heading sections. Now the actual body sections, the actual element contained in the body sections. Now here we observe the map. What map we are going to give the name to that particular map? Image map 2. The name can be anything, you can give the name, but the name should be the same using with the help of use map. If here you use the image 2, then it must be same image 2 with the hash. So first here you need to um, take an image. So how we take one particular image or how we assess the image? With the help of img tag, img src is attributes. That attributes having some value. Attributes value nothing but the locations of that particular image. What it indicate? C uses, it is the locations of that image which is going to use for image mapping purpose. Now here we need to use the again use map is one types of attributes. Then attributes having the value that is called as use map 2. It must be same. Now on particular image we are going to we are going to spot two area that is called as a rectangle and circle. We have the different types of object, but where we use only the rectangle and circle, where we have in the laptops, where we have the cup, where we have the one circle. Now how we going to coordinate? So we need to find out the coordinate of that particular locations. How we hyperlink? First we are going to see here area shape equals to rect. Shape is attribute and rect is a value. Then coordinate is again attributes and it has values. What value coordinate as x value, y value, x plus width, y plus width, and it is locations where we are going to hyperlink with the help of href attributes. Now again same here we have the area shape is a circle, coordinates it indicate x value, y value and radius of that circle. Href is again indicate the locations of that particular image where we are going to hyperlink that image or that circle. Now close the body section, close the HTML sections. Here we have used the hyperlink concept and we hyperlink the image or we create the hotspot area on that particular image. In normal way, if we're going to hyperlink, it is to that, but if having the one particular image, then image having the different object, if we hyperlink that particular object, then simple hyperlink concept is not usable. So we have to use the concept that is called as the image map concept. If we use the different object to hyperlink it, we use the concept, that concept is called as the image mapping. Now here we are going to see an example of image mapping. Before of that, here we observe that how to calculate the coordinate of circle and rectangle. Now here we have take one example. We are going to see the example. Here you find the image. Open that image with the pen and find the coordinate. Here you find the laptops, one circle, that circle contains the TGP, one mobile and one cup. Where that image containing the four or most important object, if we want to hyperlink that mobiles, If when we click on that mobiles, we get the information related to mobiles. If we click on that circle contain the TGP, it will show the information related to TGP. If we click on the laptop, then it will show the information related to laptop. So it is very important to hyperlink it, and hyperlink of that object, it is very important to find out the coordinate of the particular circles and rectangle. Now if you want to find out the coordinate of these laptops, so laptop is a types of rectangle. So we require the x coordinate, we require the y coordinates. What coordinate here we require? We require first, here we require first x coordinate, x coordinate. Second we require the y coordinate. Third we require the x plus width, sorry, x plus width and y plus height. This is here we require. For rectangle here we required, sorry, for circle here we required x, y and the radius of circle, that is called as x and y and radius of that circle. It is the coordinates required to spot the hotspot area. Now if we calculate the coordinate of this particular rectangle, so we click on this particular area, so you find the area x and y value 23 and 28. Here you can observe this value, this area you may find here 28, 28. So what value here we x value 23, 27. Now second value here x plus y plus 157, 200. So that value we have right in PPTs, in a programs. Now if you want to hyperlink this TGP, this is one types of circle having the x value and y value. How we find out the coordinate? Make point it as at the center of circle. So we find the 20158. Then click here at the end of circle where we find the 34 is the radius of that circle. Now we close this, don't save, and we find the coordinate. Here you find the coordinate. With that you must have 21, 24, 154, 198, 201, 55 and 34 is a coordinate radius of circle. Now we are going to execute by clicking this. Now we are observing the output. What will be my output? Just click on it, open it. So here you find the one image, that image containing the different object, and it has been hyperlinked. So you can see here we have hyperlinked this laptop. If we click on that laptop, the page related to the laptop will get, that means what are the page we have already hyperlinked with the help of href, that will get open. If we click on the TGP, it is again what are the information related or what are the page we have hyperlinked with the TGP, it will get open. So you may find if we click on the laptop, here we create a hotspot area related to the laptop. If we move out the cursor from here, we don't have the any types of hyperlink. Okay, again you find that we have created the hotspot area for this circle. Again you find that we have created the hotspot area for mobile. You can find the circles, we find the coordinates. You may get hand if we click on the or mobiles. Same as here, we don't have create a hotspot area for the curve. So on particular single image we have created the hotspot area. How many hotspot area we have created? We have created the 3 hotspot area. If we click on the laptops, we will get the informations related to, that means we can't access the page, there is. So now if we click the TGP, we will get the information related to TGP. What are the page? Here we have hyperlink. Wait, so here you may find that here you get the page related to TGP. So this is a way image mapping, with the help of image mapping concept we have hyperlinked the images. Okay, or we can hyperlink the multiple object. What are the different types of multiple object here we have? So by clicking on particular object, we can hyperlink this particular area. Now if we having the multiple object, we can click, by clicking on it we can hyperlink the particular things. Now this can be achieved with the help of hyperlinking concept, or by creating the hotspot area on that particular image, or that concept is called as a image mapping concept. So thank you.